Hello children, chapter 5 division. Worksheet question number 3. Find the quotient in remainder and verify your answers. 64 divided by 2. Write this numeral in this form. Okay children, 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Write 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Your answer is 32. It is called quotient. Quotient is 32. Your remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now start the verification. The verification formula is dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient add remainder. Dividend is 64. Write 64. Divisor is 2. Multiply quotient is 32. Add remainder is 0. 64 equal to 2 multiply 32 equal to 64. Add 0. 64 equal to 64 add 0 equal to 64. Both are equal. It means your answer is correct. This is the verification. Okay children. Next question is 49 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Write 9. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Your answer is 24. It is called quotient is 24. And your remainder is 1. Now start the verification. Firstly write the dividend 49 equal to, write divisor is 2, multiply quotient 24, add remainder is 1. 49 equal to 2 multiply 24 equal to 48, add 1. 49 equal to 48 add 1 equal to 49. Both are equal. It means your answer is correct. Okay children. Next question is 331 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Write 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Write 1. 3 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Your remainder is 1. Quotient is 110. Your remainder is 1. Now start the verification. The verification is, write the dividend 331 equal to, write divisor is 3, multiply 101, add remainder is 1. 331 equal to 3 multiply 110 equal to 330, add 1. 331 equal to 330 add 1 equal to 331. Both are equal. It means your answer is correct. Okay children. Question number 4. Solve the problems. First is 5 ice cream cost rupees 125. What is the cost of each ice cream? Write cost of each ice cream equal to 125 divided by 5. Write this numeral in this form. 5 2s are 10. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Write 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25 equal to 0. Your answer is rupees 25. The cost of each ice cream is rupees 25. Okay children. Question number 2. 4 t-shirt cost rupees 960. How much does one shirt cost? Cost of one shirt is rupees 960 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Write 6. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Write 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Your answer is rupees 240. The cost of one shirt is rupees 240. Next question is, Banu bought 4 books for rupees 800. How much did he pay for each book? He paid money for each book is rupees 800 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Write 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Write 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Your answer is 200. Rupees 200. He pay money for each book is rupees 200. Okay, children. Next question D. Renu divides 725 by 5 and got the remainder 5. Check if your answer is correct. 725 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Write 2. 5 4s are 20. 2 minus 0 equal to 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Write 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25 equal to 0. Your remainder is 0. Children, your answer is no, because your remainder is 0. Okay. Question number E. Which is greater, 600 divided by 4 or 900 divided by 6? 600 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Write 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 equal to 0. Write 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Your answer is 150. 900 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Write 0. 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 30 equal to 0. Write 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Your both answer is 150. Your answer is same.